We will gonna start our raffle. You want to choose the number, and the last one will win. Now, who will gonna...
The first ball up
The
is
first number...
31.
Oh my God.
Ah! But you still have one. 31 is Karen. So the next one,
Yes, bakit kasi ganun?
the second one. Okay. Okay, listen. Watch it. The second ball.
Wala na pag-asa nga.
Oh my God.
Oh! Just push it. Oh my God. Ta-da-da-da.
18.
Show the camera, please.
18, Sis Mila. Sorry, Sis Mila. Sorry. The next round. Third ball. Dadhanin lang gang baka matapon. Okay, just one.
Just one.
Okay. Ready? Fasten your seatbelt.
75.
No more chance for you. Sorry, BFF. Sorry, BFF.
It's my turn.
Sorry, BFF. It's her last round. It's only one. Next time, why you take Rixie?
One
You have no more chance, friend.
One pack. Okay.
The next one. 15. It's Lisa. Sorry, Lisa. You get one number only. No chance.
Fifth ball.
Nak, dahan-dahanin mo lang baka maubos lahat. Fifth ball.
5 balls.
Sino? Nataubot na pang
Ta-na-na-na.
Ay, kaday.
Yes. Slowly, slowly.
100!
Sorry, March. But, sorry, March, but you still have what chance? Because you still have 3. Yeah. You still have 3 more.
One more for Mother.
The next one. Ay, sorry.
G, dahan-dahan G, baka ako na yun.
Yung number niya.
Malo, number 8.
Okay. Just face it. Sorry, friend Malo, but you still have the chance.
What number?
Number 8.
Number 8. Ayusin mo. Baka sa'yo yung makuha mo.
Panalo!
You still have the chance to win.
Kanino kaya ito?
Ho.
Juliet! I still have one. Oh my God. Renita. You are not my best friend. Oh, you see? Lucy is getting the name of Rixie and you get my name. It's unfair.
I'm not inside. Sino kaya yan?
Up.
Up!
Up.
Buti na lang hindi ko kinuha yan.
What's number? 22, 23 lang. Sorry, you have no more chance.
Yan
There's
ang
only one.
23.
Ayos. Ako, panalo dyan.
Wala pa
It's okay, wala sa inyo.
Ikaw nang mahawak. Anong susunod?
Okay, di na. Basta
Huwag mong
gaganin
galawin,
ko lang, ha?
Oh.
Okay. Next ball. Gaganon ko lang daw.
24.
Who's that?
Susie.
Susie daw. Sorry, Ate Susie. Hindi mo chance.
You still have the chance.
Alafek.
Put back my number. Din in the battle.
Susunod kita, BFF. Ikaw naman yan. Gantihan mo, BFF.
Wait, I want to buy another
Uh-huh.
one.
29. Lot. Lot.
Lot,
Sorry,
lot.
Lot.
Sorry.
Anak, sorry.
Mhm. Wow, kitang-kita ang birthday. Happy birthday, Juliet.
Ayon.
Okay.
Dalawa yung number mo, ha? Dalawa yung number mo. Ang dami pa. Sabay sa yung number yan, oh. Ang problema,
Ngayon,
hindi siya
ang birthday
matanggal.
celebrant ang magbobola.
Pa rin yan.
No!
Birthday celebrant, anong nabunot? Charot! Magkatinginan!
Sorry, Ate Ani.
Eh, 50,
Sorry, Ate
ate!
Ani. The next one.
Sana naman, baka sana naman bubunot ng isang Please don't take my number.
Kay Rixie, wala naman sala. Kay Margarita, wala. Ano na?
For your second ball.
Gina M, 19.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, G! Bye-bye, G!
You still have the chance.
Second ball.
More balls.
Ball. For your second ball. Pangalawang bola niya nga.
Second round.
Ay, ganon. Second round daw. Sorry.
Number 9.
Oh.
Sorry, friend Rosalie.
Rosalie. Bye-bye. But one more.
You still have the chance.
Mali dato yung MC. Wrong. Wrong parking ka kanayo. Lafek.
Nena still the same, huh? Still have 2. What number is Nena? No, 2. He's 25 and
Be careful, Fek. Baka makuha mo yung number ko.
Ganyan din
sinabi ko kanina.
Yari ka.
Hindi.
Yari ka nga.
Ah.
Yari ka nga.
Fek.
Oh.
Please.
21.
Sorry.
Sorry, Sis Duna. You have no more chance.
It's my turn.
Yes.
Okay, Karen. Your second ball.
Second
Be
round.
careful.
Second
round. Bahala na. Basta ball. Second ball.
Balls ka
Ito
ng
na
balls.
yung bingo. Second ball. Sabi niya.
Second round.
Second round.
Woo!
25.
Ano
Sorry.
Sorry, Nen. Sorry.
Okay,
Si
it's
Karen
my
nabunot.
turn to ball. Fek. Hawakan mo, Fek.
My turn to ball.
Ay, ako na pala. Last ang
Shake, shake.
number ko.
Bari dance. We're still here. It's still
Ano,
there
madami pa
inside.
pala, oh.
Ang dami pa, oh.
Bilisan niyo.
Tatlong round pa.
Bilisan mo naman. Nakakatulog na tong ano dito, camera woman. Ano ba? Ano tagal?
Ay, magaling magsalita yung pangatlo. Number 5!
Sorry, Sis Avril.
Ako pa rin.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sorry.
Better
You
luck
have the
next
chance.
time.
Because more by 2 numbers.
Naji,
Sa kabila daw. Ay, pwede siya.
anong number na yan, Ji?
Number 36. 30.
Oh, Lucy! Ano, Pek? Wala na, Pek? Sorry! Wala ka na? Tapos Okay, Re, for your second round.
Sino kaya ito?
Ay.
Auntie Juliet.
Get ready!
Yay!
Ay, hindi pa rin ako! Si Rosalie!
Rosalie, sorry, number 3. Bye.
Number 3. Sorry, no more for you, friend.
No more. No more. Tapos na yung dalawa niyang ano.
Oh, tapos na yung dalawa niya.
Ay. Ikaw, G, ilan pa, G? Ako sana manalo.
5 pa
Ako
yun sa akin dyan.
panalo. Ako ang ano yan, Ate Val? For your
Oh my God, my number!
Sorry! Nakuha mo ang number mo!
Yun ang sinasabi.
Yan. Ako ang panalo! Sino yan?
Number 35, Malo.
Ate Malo or Malo sis Malo, wala.
Dalawa
No.
na.
Okay, finish.
Come on, Ann. Yeah.
Tinitingnan na naman ako.
Babawi siya kasi Winning the battle? Coming up.
Not me.
Okay, Fek, that is your second round.
Oh, hindi
Oh.
ball.
Hindi na ball. No, that is second paper. Hindi ball eh. Paper.
Okay.
Oo nga daw, hindi naman ball. Papers daw.
Oh.
Later, I will open.
Perfect. Why you are looking at me? Maybe it's my number or what?
It's number 12.
Oy, sorry.
Sorry! Just only
Bye.
one number, bye.
Sorry.
Sorry lang ga.
Okay, the birthday celebrant. Kukuha. Siyang bubunot.
That's mine? Is that what you're looking at?
Yay!
Because you still have two.
Kanino yan, Ninang?
May hawak ko dito.
Sino, Ninang?
Sorry, Ate Hermin. Sorry.
16. Okay, for your... Not 3 balls. 3 paper. 3 paper, not 3 balls. Ako ang panalo talaga. Kinakabahan ako.
Ayos mo pagkuha sa mga pangalan ako.
Ninang.
Thank you.
Ay, ako ang panalo. Don't take my number.
Oh, 61 me.
You take my You're lucky. You take your own number. Right. You take your own number.
What's wrong with you?
Isa lang yan yung number nila.
I-check mo dito.
That's how you know no cheating.
Ano mo na ba? No cheating. Yun na. Ah, sige.
Drum roll!
Who? 22 Rene! Hey, no more! Renita! Okay, fans, for your third paper. Oh.
Too bad now. Put it back. Put it back.
Isang round pa. Isang round pa, oh, marami pa.
Marami pa. Ilan pa yan?
Fake, don't take my number, Fake.
We'll see.
Sa kabila muna. Pag hindi matusok sa kabila, sa kabila.
Juliet, I took Renita's number. Okay.
Fake, harap mo dito yung pangalan.
It's
42! Oh,
Kasi nakusunadahan ni Ginny yung bubububub mo. Naigayan si Ginny. Yeah, and Ginny gets angry when you said bububububub.
number 4.
Ay,
Number
sorry,
four.
si Trita. You still have...
Fake.
Mm.
Ikaw na.
Ibig sabihin, dalawa na meron.
Huwag ka sunod.
Tapos na sa Denita.
Oo, wala na sa akin.
Wala na, di?
Oh, yeah, still have one.
Still have one.
Ay, kay Gina yung ano.
Oh, bilis, bilis.
Maingay ka.
Sino kaya yan?
Wala nang gusto mag-ingay ngayon. Natakot.
Number? Ninang, sorry!
Birthday
You're not my daughter anymore. You're not my daughter anymore. Oh my God.
Gusto niyo sumali sa Topi?
Don't worry, pag ako manalo, pag ako ang manalo, 1 linggo sa akin, 1 linggo sa inyo, 1 linggo.
6.
Judith! Sinong Judith liit?
Malaki. Ay, Judith malaki.
Ikaw, Re. Huwag mong kunin yung number ko, Re. Di pa nabubunot yung number ko, ang dalawa.
Yung mga wala ng number, tahimik na.
Ay, nahulog. Sino, Re? 40. Sino? Congratulations! Ay, meron pa isa. The luckiest number. Ito na. Hindi.
Magkasunod din parang sa akin.
Ano ba yan?
Number never lost. Tama nga.
Ay nako, sweetie, yung number mo, yung ang pantalo.
Marami pa, oh.
Ilang round pa?
Eh, balik ko yung number ko.
17. Nena.
Si Nena.
Sorry din. Wala ka ng chance. Dalawa nang kinuha nila.
Wala na, meron pa ako. Sino pa?
Marami pa. Ilang bola pa to.
Marami ba yan?
Marami pa. Dalawa.
Mhm.
Dalawang ikot.
Mga dalawang ikot pa to.
So,
Number
39. Harissa.
Ay, sorry friend. Wala ka na talaga.
Kape.
Pag-asa. Ubus na rin sa'yo. Pareho tayo. Si Karen may isa pa.
Wow, nananahimik.
Ay,
Nananahimik.
ako pa, isa pa.
Isa pa rin sa'yo, di ba?
Oo.
Si BFF. Pek.
Number
Number? Ano, Pek?
13, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Ay,
No
sorry.
chance.
Ikasal mo na dati ko. Alas 10 na?
Ang dami ka natin? Sa papay, sa kapit asik gan?
Sino?
Uy, aga pa.
Ay, sorry.
Sino, Ninang?
Number 7. Sorry, sis Judith Liit.
Liit. Judith Liit.
May Judith malaki?
I'll pull my other number now.
Your fourth paper. Right. Okay. Come on. Don't take my number.
Don't take your own number.
Yes.
Twice.
Hu hu hu.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Gina ulit.
Oh my God.
Who? Uy, it's your number again!
What's number?
76?
The second time around, you take out your number.
That's automatic winner.
Why did you do that? Oh my God.
Took your own number.
The second time around. The same as Ate Valeria.
Don't do that. 37.
Oh, Karen!
Sorry, friend.
You take revenge.
No, I will be lucky.
But Chris will be lucky because the second time she took her his number.
That's all that's left.
Because if he know,
You know
if
what
we
the
know,
chances of that
we'll
are?
change.
Pulling my number twice.
numbers in there.
Ah,
Fake, be careful with my
this is a
heart.
very nice raffle.
Okay.
Winner takes all.
Gina 14, malalaman na natin yung winner.
Yes.
Ako yan. Huwag kang
Ikaw
mag-alala,
to?
Fek. Hindi!
Ah.
Ang last!
Oo, sige na.
Oo.
Sige, Fek.
Para mabilis na.
Bilisan nyo.
JR.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, GR. Wala na.
Okay.
Wala na, sweetie?
Basahin mo ng lahat para matapos.
Ganun lang
Hindi,
din magbasa
hindi.
lahat din.
Hindi, kasi paikot talaga.
Para
Madali lang, isang ikot na lang yan.
One,
two,
two,
three,
three.
go.
Kailangan nabunot mo na yung pangalan mo, Fek. Bilisan natin.
Anali!
Number 14, Rachel. Rachel, sorry, Chill. Bye-bye.
26, Regine.
26, sorry, sis Regine.
Oh, we'll move it quick.
We don't have any more numbers.
Okay.
Abril.
Ha?
20.
Harap mo.
Ano nyo dito yung mga nabubunot nyo?
Yes.
Oo, kasi
Yes,
nagtaya
sorry.
sila.
The next one.
Number
Next.
47, Regina.
47,
47.
sorry, friend. No more.
Ah, ako na pala. Ako na pala.
Ay, naku, malapit ng manalo.
Wala na ka ng number.
Wala ka ng number.
I don't want to pick.
Sino, Fek? Baka yung nagmamadali.
Number 1.
Ay, sorry, anak.
Oh.
Sorry, anak Tuna.
Mhm. Bakit ganun? Nanghinayang ako tuloy. Dalawa yung nabunot.
Palitan, ipalit mo dito yung ano, ito na lang parapol mo. Ito na lang parapol mo.
Ito na lang, ito na lang. Ito na lang, oh, mas maganda.
Sorry, friend. 34.
Okay.
No, I don't want to pick anymore.
Don't say my number.
Takot na siya ngayon mabunot. Wala na siyang number.
Oo.
Oh, don't take Margarita's number.
That's what I want to pick. I know it's hers. Oh, 27.
27. Sorry,
Pasita.
anak Lotlot.
Lotlot pa sila.
Oh, pasita, nanay niya.
Come on, baby.
Toffee, stop! We lost
Toffee.
already Toffee. That's why you stop.
Si ano, BFF.
Meron pa.
Manalo ka.
Bye-bye. Pwede ka na duman dito ba?
Oh, ayaw na.
What's wrong with you?
My
We
God.
bought 4 and we picked 3 of them.
Okay. Pwede ka na dumaan dito ba?
Pick.
Paggawas ni mo. Muna ba siya? Sige. Paggawas ni mo pa. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Apat na lang. Ikaw ang maglalas. Ay, hindi pala si ano. Nerita. Sino, Pek? Baka number mo
Toffee.
yan, Pek.
Ay, yung
Toffee.
nasa lahat.
Come here. Hey.
Ano.
Coffee.
Pek.
Number 32, Chona. Ay, sorry, anak Chona.
Pek, ganun. Ganun mga talaga. Talaga.
Twice.
1.
30.
30, Susie.
Susie.
Sorry, gang.
Ilan na lang yan?
Tatlo.
Naku, tatlo ba?
Si ano, ni Rita lang.
Si Luz.
Oh my
Kunin ko
God.
na to?
Yung isang iba nun, itira mo yung isa ate. Oo
Akin
nga.
yung matira. Akin lang matira.
Ay, yung matira, ibigay nyo kay ate.
Akin lang matira.
28.
Akin lang matira.
One.
Yes.
Yun na. Ay, meron pa isa. Ala! Si BFF.
Si BFF siguro yung winner.
Si Lucy!
Ipakita. Siya ang nanalo. Siya ang nanalo. wedding day on August 10. Here in Cyprus. Her boyfriend will come on
That is your gift to me. My birthday is 25, remember?
Yes.
Thank you, Ate Juliet. Is your old phone this one now?
Yes, it's our phone.
That's it.
Okay. The
To be
winner
sure.
is...
The
38, the winner of the mobile phone.
Oh my God!
It's
mine.
Lucy. Sorry guys, and thank you very much.
Asan na?
Teka lang, wait lang.
Sige.
Magpapagyan ako.
Wow. Ayan na, i-receive niya. Wow. Dito, sabi. Ay.
Pek.
Ano?
Ay, okay, Ella. Come with me, join us.
Oh. And the winner is Samsung Galaxy. And the winner is Lucy. Samsung Galaxy tablet. Oh. Tapos na po ang pa-premyo. Oh. Ayan mo na. Ang nana.
Hayaan mo na nga to.
Hayaan mo. Ano yun? Mamaya panoorin nila. Diba? Ay, hindi ko alam. Patayin mo daw.
Huwag kang kutsilyo doon. Hindi ko alam yan.
Hindi ko pa ginagamit.